Hi, it's Alex from Conquer Termites. A couple of weeks ago we've treated a live termite nest inside this wall, and we've just returned a couple of weeks on to check on the activity. We drilled a small hole and inserted termital foam to give a topical treatment to the termite activity and the nest there. So we've returned a couple of weeks on, and what we've found is that all the activity has died off, and this is all the material that we're pulling out. The customers actually decided to repair the wall, so they've given us permission to do an invasive inspection and cut a hole in. And if you have a look at the material, it's covered in a white furry fungus, which is usually what happens once you treat a nest, and as the hundreds of dead termites decay, this white fungus becomes prevalent. So that's actually a great sign. We can see that the activity has died off and the customer is free to make the repairs to that wall now, that there's no more activity. And more importantly, they've decided to get a chemical treatment installed to the perimeter of the structure, which will prevent further infestations. If you have any concerns, please give us a call.